Welcome Bilas Wanita event 3rd anniversary respect. Tunjukkan penampilan terbaik kalian and good luck.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got pussies and watches galore. You want think my pops? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on this, what do you call them? Oh, free. Prepare your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along town. What's that word game? Street, are where they walk, are where they run, are where they stand, day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend the day warm on the sand? But only they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Ask some my questions and get some answers. What's the fire and why does it? What the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the summer above? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that
Keren. Semoga Anda jadi juaranya.
Amin.
Bersama musik kita bersatu.